How to make carrot cake. This delicious homemade carrot cake recipe is incredibly easy to follow. The inside is wonderfully moist and the outside contains a delicious cream cheese frosting. In a large mixing bowl, add the following: 1 1/4 cups of vegetable oil, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1 cup brown sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 4 room temperature eggs. Thoroughly whisk together. Continue whisking until it looks just like this. That's perfect! Put that to one side. Then, in another bowl, add the following: 2 cups flour, 2 teaspoons baking soda, add 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon. Whisk together until thoroughly combined. Perfect! Looking good! Now, take this mixture and place it into the other mixture bowl with the other mixture that we mixed just before we mixed this mixture. Whisk together until thoroughly combined. It should look just like this. If it doesn't, continue whisking. Now, add the following: 3 cups of grated, peeled carrots, 1 cup of coarsely chopped pecans, and finally, 1 cup of raisins. Thoroughly mix together. Mix until it gets this consistency. It should look exactly like this. Now, take that mixture and evenly distribute it into 2 greased 9-inch round cake pans. Place in your fan-forced oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, let's make the frosting. In a large electric mixer, add the following: 225 grams of cream cheese, 2 teaspoons cornstarch, 1 1/4 cups powdered sugar, 1/3 cup cold heavy cream. To start, turn the mixer onto medium speed. Whisk until it looks like this. Then, increase the speed. That's perfect! Remove the 2 cake tins from the oven when they look just like this. Now, it's time to craft the carrot cake. Flip the 2 cake tins upside down. Gravity should do its work. If not, give them a light tap. When they are completely cool, frost the top of 1 cake layer and place the second cake layer on top. Perfect! Add the remaining frosting to the top of the carrot cake and use a butter knife or small spatula to swirl the frosting around. Finish by evenly spreading around pecans. This is exactly how it should look. Serve and enjoy!
Hello, it's me, Gordon Ramsay. I'm here to try your carrot cake. Yuck! This carrot cake is disgusting.
You've successfully made homemade carrot cake from scratch. Enjoy!